Hey everybody, welcome. Hold up, y'all. I gotta fix things in the background. Give me one sec. Hi everybody, welcome. I'm just setting things up in the back screen. Uh we'll see how long I can keep this running. I have baby bunny here, so I do apologize. I'm gonna be going back and forth on this. I'm a mom first, so I have to do the mom thing. Right, mama? Yeah, you agree, right? I gotta be a mom first. What I gotta do, okay? Let me make sure I got everything going. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. 1 second, you guys. One sec. How's everybody doing? Welcome everybody. Let me make sure I got everything going here. I am working on my intro song as we are waiting. Hey Cheeks. Hey everybody. I see everybody through here. You said, why does that courtroom look like the Scientology pamphlet? That's a great question. Don't it? Welcome everybody. Yo, let me mute myself. 1 second. Thank you. I appreciate it, y'all. Is it true that Tadea Wallace is in the hospital? I don't know. That's the first I've heard of that. Is that true? Where'd you hear that from? Let me know. Hey, Coneja, how are you? Hey, everybody. Hey, Selena Fan para siempre. All right, give me 1 sec, y'all. I got to get the stream going in the background, too. Jill, thank you so much for gifting a membership. If you guys got that membership from Jill, please do me a favor and put a heart in the chat. Thank you guys. Shout out to everybody that is always supporting my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I was working on my on the graphics of my intro song. I think you guys are really gonna like it, but it's been I need to work on it. I'm still editing and stuff like that. You said, why does it say 500 over 200 on the wall by the closed doors? Really? Is that the address? I think it's the address, no? Yeah, it's like 500 something, the address, right? Thank you. Okay, Lou says, now you're stealing me from Law and Crime. You go watch Law. I'm literally looking at Law and Crime right now. Y'all can watch it. Law and Crime is not going to give you the commentary, but shout out to them. I mean, I'm looking for other areas where it's being streamed. But I don't want to steal you from law and crime. Thank you, though. Yeah, like why do they have the address? Oh,
Check, check, check. One, two,
oh,
three,
they're
four,
mic
five.
checking y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No disrespect to them.
You seen anything on the mixer? Yeah. Okay, good.
Hold up, y'all. Let me see if I can find it. We're everywhere.
It's what I have it going up left and right. Yes.
Oh shit. That's crazy. I think we're the only ones right now.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for coming out. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sound good?
All right, give me 1 second, y'all.
Exit out. You good, Danny? I'm good.
Oh my goodness. We get to hear the city sound. Welcome everybody. You want this one? Which one do you want? You want this one? Thank you. Hey, hold up. You need me to get you something? Okay, let's see. Welcome everybody. I know, isn't it like ASMR city noises? That's what it sounds like to me. I'm gonna see. I'm trying to see if other people are streaming it too. The bad sirens is. I don't know how people. I don't know how y'all do it. How do you work in the courthouse and then hear all those? That's too much. Hold up. Diddy emergency hearing. I don't even have a thumbnail for this, yo. Hey everybody. Oh snap! And the Independent is there too. There it is. No, thank you. Hold up. Let me see if I can go to the Oh yeah, they're there. Look at this shit. Everybody's there. This is the Independent now. Can you is the sound okay? Let me know. Y'all hear the city noises? Let me know if you hear it. And do me a favor, hit that like button. It's free. Don't be mean now. Shout out to everybody, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Diddy hearing. Let me see images. The sound is good. Y'all hear New York? Okay, good. All right. As long as you guys hear it. Um You said, "Can I like the video at the end? What if I don't like it?" Well, I don't know what to tell you. That's a good point. You know, it's okay not to like a video. You can actually dislike. Um, that's fine too. Luckily, I'm not going to force you to like something. Thank you. Shout out to you though. You really make me think. I'm like, yeah, what if people don't like it? Well, you guys have rights. You don't have to like a video. You know what I mean? Do what you do. Do what you feel is do what you feel is in your heart, you know? Um that's how I see it. Shout out to you. You said the sirens are making my dogs bark. Oh my god. Don's like, listen, people, when you're in prison, you have no rights. I know. Thank you, beautiful messy ball. You tell them, girl. Tell them, like, listen, whether you like it or you don't like it, if you like it, great. If you don't like it, you don't. That's cool. Just so everybody's aware, because you guys know you know, I got something to do around maybe an hour or so. So I'm gonna leave the stream running. So the chat will be available to you guys for you guys to hang out. Um, I do leave it on subscriber mode only because I get trolled a lot, believe it or not. People troll me. So it'll still be on subscriber mode, but I might change the time frame. Just depending. Just depending. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for being here though. You guys could be anywhere, but you're here. Thank you guys. Madison, we have a court hearing, emergency court hearing right now. That is what is happening. Thank you, Roxy. Thank you, Roxy, for saying that. Shout out to Roxy. Thank you. Welcome everybody. Oh, we got 350 people here. Really? Shout out to you guys. Thank you. Um, you guys, I've been working on my intro video. Baby Bunny's here. Mama, do you want to say hello? You want to say hello to everybody? Well, you can come over here and say hello. Well, you want to come here? Okay, baby. Come on, say hello. Baby Bunny wants to say hello. You want to say hello? You got like stuff on your face. All right, hold up. Come here. Do you want to say hello? She said hello and then she's gone. All right, is that it, honey? Okay, baby, love you. You said once kids were involved, that escalates everything, says Walter. Chinchilla. Shout out to you, Walter. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot. Thank you, Kathy. Shout out to you guys. Rabbit, do you see the influencers who have been covering Diddy and getting visits from private? I heard. I mean, hell, somebody came in my chat and I said, you know, I would never, let me tell you what I would not do. I would be very careful about. If I had somebody knocking at my door talking about they're a Diddy investigator or whatever, I wouldn't even say anything publicly. I would report to the police and move accordingly. Now, I would probably hire an attorney to figure out, like, okay, what do I do with this? Because it's weird, you know, how people are trying to influence things. But I would just be careful. Like, my safety and my kids' safety is before anything. So, yeah, like, people are like, wow, Diddy's hiring investigators for these bloggers and stuff like that. That could very well be the case, but I'm not putting my safety at risk for Diddy or commentary about Diddy, you guys. It's a serious matter. That's how I feel about it, but that's just me though. Welcome everybody. Some influencer, they said that was she's like in the millions. There's a lot of Diddy fixers out there, y'all. There really is. Honestly. Yeah, like exactly. That's what you got to move. Like, be careful. My first thought is not to give commentary on, like, it's serious. My thought is like, thank you so much, Sean. This is my thought. You know, and I've had this happen before, not on Diddy, thank God. Okay. But I've had this happen before where there might be a celebrity that's watching your content and the people that then they start contacting you basically, right? And they want to know kind of what's up, what's the deal, what's going on, like the things that you're saying. Then they want to try to skew your information. I mean, you just have to be careful. I've had that happen before with I'm not going to say names, with some folks that I've talked about celebrity wise that I've exposed. But my safety is my family. So if I have an investigator, somebody like that, you know, knocking at my door talking about I work for Diddy and I'm here investigating you, oh honey, we're not playing that game. The guy is he's fighting for his life to a certain degree. So yeah, we're not playing that game. We're not playing that game. Yes, that has happened to Team Maker a lot more. That's a real thing. If you're a YouTuber and you're a realm in the, if your videos get the tractions that it does, you'll find that. I mean, my little channel has gotten some attention. And you'll find that people will want to like buy you off, or they want to sell you a story. I have stuff in my DMs that I can't really release. But that I've had sitting there and I won't release, but some of it is you just have to kind of discern what it is. That's right. Petty's like, beware of the Xenu undercover lovers. Oh, there's a lot of that, right? All these OSA ops and stuff like that. They said they didn't work for Diddy. They didn't say who they worked for. Well, here, and I believe it too, beautiful messy ball. They might have not be working with Diddy, but let me tell you what it is. If they're not working with Diddy, Diddy is associated with so many other people, right? So there's going to be people around Diddy that are like concerned about Diddy being exposed. So that's going to be an issue, right, for anybody. If you exposing Diddy, people are going to have issues with you exposing Diddy because you might expose them as well. You heard that I have all the Roswell documents? Okay. Christine, how are you? Shout out to you, Christine. I saw your comment. It was very long. Shout out to you. I was gonna respond to it, but I said I don't have time. But shout out to you from the last video. Thank you. It benefits them for Diddy to not get exposed. Walter, that's what I'm saying. It's like sometimes it benefits them. There's a lot of people that are worried about the downfall because it affects them too, right? You said I just saw a CNN article that said 40% of the young Americans are getting their news from influencers. So I could see why Diddy contacts would be trying to spin the narrative. That's true. That is very true. Thank you for saying this. That is very true. People are getting their news from YouTube, bloggers, and because let me tell you, CNN, MSNBC, ABC, all of those people are so far removed from the sources that are giving the news. I'm so glad you said this, because it's true. People come to YouTube because they want to hear something that's like unbiased, or if it's biased, it's more informative so that they can make their decisions. Exactly. Yeah, Diddy wants to muddy the water so bad you can't see through it. Yeah, I could see them. MSNBC's for sale. Fox News, they're all for sale, honestly. Hey, Janine, how are you? Hey, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shout out to you guys. You said it's a domino effect? Yeah, you said influencers are better at giving the news. Well, the problem that I have with the influencers is influencers can be bought. You know what I mean? Um, you can buy influencers just like you can buy the news media. Hey, Vicky, how are you? Hope you're doing well. You can buy influencers just like you can buy the media, just like you can buy celebrities. That's the thing. It's like we have to like use discernment. You said the news is nothing but personal driven, lies driven. I like local news, honestly. Um, I like I like the local news. I heard a man. Wait, what? Really, Mary? Jaguar Ride is everywhere. Was she in the car when Tupac was shot? Let me know. We're still trying to figure that out. Was she there? Was she in the car when Tupac was shot? Diddy Combs hearing. Let me know because the lady is like everywhere. Was she there? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Influencers don't have professional journalistic integrity. Wow. I mean, it just depends. Hey, Steeler Princess. Why are y'all laughing? Why are you screaming, Hope? I'm just saying she's everywhere. Jaguar Raid is everywhere. Was she there when Diddy got shot? Or not Diddy, Tupac got shot? What about Biggie? I'm just wondering. She's everywhere. You said flash in the pan says, well, personally, if Diddy is guilty and found guilty in a court of law, I hope he gets the death penalty, not life. Ooh, yeah. I mean, I think technically he's qualified for the death penalty, you know, based on that. That's what I heard too. Ask her. I heard that she, she's everywhere. She's in Epstein Island. She's over here. She's over there. She's everywhere. Lord have mercy. The whole industry is about her. Like, I just want to know where is she? Look, Kevin, she might fucking be. Let me check under my desk, Kevin. She might be right behind me. Thank you. Shout out to BJ. They got hashtag Media Matters out in full force. Miraculous. All of a sudden, with the filings against BuzzFeed. Ooh, shit. Shout out to BJ. BJ, you have to talk about it. You have to talk about it. Shout out to BJ. You guys make sure. I think BJ is going to cover this too. And listen, BJ does the legal. You guys, that go to her when it comes to a lot of this pop culture stuff, when she's breaking down these legal cases. Because, I mean, she explains to you the jurisdiction, the this and the that and the other. Listen, I'm just a little social worker over here, okay? She can give you all of that. I'm just literally streaming and giving commentary. All right, so shout out to the queen of YouTube. KCG, you're sitting on your hands? Let me know. You said sitting on my hands, not shaming her again, Jaguar. Shout out to KCG. Listen, I just got my opinions. Y'all are entitled to you guys, and I like to make fun. I have a lot of, you know how I am. You know how I am. I have ADHD and I'm unmedicated. That's what happens sometimes. Hold up, let me save this. I'm like doing multiple things at the same time, and I probably shouldn't be doing that. And I didn't even tell the people I was live. Shout out to my mods. I'm sure the mods did that. Shout out to the 480 plus people here. Can you guys hit the like button, please? And thank you. If not, dislike, whatever, one of the two. What do you want? Makeup? Why do you want makeup? You got chocolate on your face. You want to say hello? Here. You want makeup? Okay. Mommy got some little chapstick. You want some chapstick? Yeah, chapstick. That's what I can give you. Come here. Little bit. Oh, gorgeous. Thank you, my honey. You are so gorgeous. You want to play makeup with Baby Bunny? She's messed up so many things of my makeup. We are live now. Let me let the people know. Mama, you okay? I might have to change your diaper, girl. We're still potty training, guys. It's just, oh my God. Cannot wait for us to get through this potty training phase. You guys don't even know. All right, let me let the people know that we are live, everyone. We are live now. Okay, where's my screen? Give me 1 second. Court hearing live. Here it is. StreamYard Studio. Hey, everybody. Sorry, I'm just getting things fixed over here on my end. Okay, that's not it. Here it is. Okay. My StreamYard went away. You said I know, but take it easy, no rush. Won't be wearing diapers. I know, you're right, Alyssa. It's a whole different. I'm gonna have to change your diaper here in a minute and do the mommy thing. Hey Chico, hey everybody coming through, guys. Hit that like button, please, and thank you. Yeah, but that's the thing. It's like, and I don't know if BJ's still in the chat. BJ, did you hear about that one influencer, I guess, that was being investigated by somebody by Diddy's camp, or not really? I'm kind of wondering. What do you think about that? Because I was watching a little bit. I heard about it, but I haven't seen the video. And it's like a creator in the millions or something like that. She's being like investigated or something like that by somebody in Diddy's camp. Y'all heard about that? You made a video? Oh my God, we'll be out. Okay, well, good. I'm glad you made a video, because I was like, what? What is going on? See, I'm not surprised, especially now that we know that, according to what the government is putting out there, they're concerned about algorithms and stuff like that. So nothing surprises me. If they're doing some sketchy, some sketch shit out there. Thank you, Walter. Tell him to hit that like button. Yes, make sure you guys check out BJ. BJ Investigates and That Surprise Witness TV. BJ Investigates is like documentaries, great documentaries. And then BJ is where she kind of goes, or excuse me, That Surprise Witness is where she goes live. Shout out to BJ. Let me see. Investigated. There was also a comedian who had them show up at their door. Really? So they're just showing up? Oh, I'm sorry, Sylvia. I hate the dentist. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh, really? Then walked out. Oh my God. On the bookshelf, Didi, I swear, she's something else. This baby bunny's something else. But yeah, she's gotta we're potty training. We're working on it. Uh you said Rotten did an excellent job at breaking it down. Is that another creator? Chico? I'll have to watch. So Tinkle Tits was asking how like the 500 numbers there. So why do they have the address listed on both? I'm like, well, you kind of know it's 500. Like then the doors are gold too. Kind of hard to miss that courthouse, right? So that's what they're. That was the question. Watching another stream, putting clues together. Kevin Hart, possible new lawsuit. I heard about this too. You did? See, I don't remember. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Do not hold that against me. What's up, Mama? You need the charger? You need a charger? Okay, girl. All right, I gotta go tend to her real quick, and I shall be back, guys. Um, well, okay. So my understanding is that Diddy won't have any shackles. By the way, okay, I'll have to check it out. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, Pika and Chico. I'll have to check it out. Um, they may have to renumber the building. Okay, my headphones just died, and it just died. All right. Can y'all hear me? Let me know. Let me make sure the audio. Yeah, the audio's still good. Okay, but I don't hear the sound. Do you guys hear the city sound? Let me know. You can hear me, but can you hear the city? Can you guys hear the screen? Baby Bunny needs a charger. She's saying, I need a charger, Mom. So I got to go tend to that. Y'all hear New York? Okay. You don't hear it? You hear it. You don't hear the city sounds. Okay. So let me do this. All right. Let me stop sharing it real quick and then let me share it again. Because that happens every time I take my headphones off. Do you hear it now? You hear the city now? I mean, it better be low because it's so. Thank you, Jen. Jen's like, we hear it. All right. Y'all, as long as you guys hear the city. Okay. Cool. Thank you, Wanda. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Let me pause for, I'm going to step out for a minute. Okay, why are we dropping red crayons? What did I miss? Wait, what did I miss? Why we got red crayons in the chat? I missed something. Uh, poor walls. Y'all see the markings on the wall? Is there a marking? Where? Shouldn't be any markings. I mean, what are y'all seeing? Nobody tell her the red marking? Probably. I've been cleaning, y'all. Let me know. You didn't do it. What you do? Somebody got to tell me. Pika did it. Oh, I already know. I see. I got a little mark right here. This one right here, she got me with. She grabbed a Sharpie. She found one and she went. Whoosh. So yeah, I've been scrubbing these walls. That's what happens. What, mama? Okay, girl. It wasn't you. Yes, it was. Shout out to everybody. Why aren't you all telling me nothing? It's Pika's fault. Pika, why you be looking at the walls? Oh my god, y'all are funny. Somebody's no, I just saw a bunch of red markers. This one? Okay, grab it. Thank you. Um she always like right here. And this is Sharpie. I'm waiting for it to like I gotta figure it out. But I've been scrubbing this one and Sharpie is a little bit hard to get out of walls. So yeah. Is it B Jordan? Thank you so much for becoming a member. Shout out to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out to everybody. Well, this is baby bunny art. What am I supposed to do? See, I wasn't lying when I told you that she'd be grabbing markers and just goes crazy. But here, this was a blue marker right here. So yeah. Shout out to us. I didn't name names. Well, Alicia, yes, I have a bunch of dry eraser, I'm sorry, magic erasers on my Amazon wish list. And I've literally, shout out to everybody that's gotten me one, literally have used like a lot of them. So yeah, that has happened. Baby Bunny's an artist. Baby Bunny doesn't need to use my walls for that. She's got a lot of coloring books and papers. I don't think that's not good for the walls either. Yeah, just like, no, y'all didn't snitch on each other. What? Do you want to say something? Okay, come on, come here. No, she says she wants to say something and then she leaves. Just put the frames and scribbles. Oh no, what happened? The camera went out. No, hold up. Now I gotta fix it. This event ended? No, it didn't. Because I hear the city. Hold up. It couldn't have. Look at this. Oh, it ended their stream over there. I'm gonna see if it goes back up. Oh yeah, they end. Well, let me see what's going on. Independent. They ended it. They ended the live streaming. Is it still going? Oh, the chat is still going. See, the Independent has like 10,000 subscribers. They just must have started their YouTube channel. Borax? Okay, they just muted the sound. That's not me. They just ended their sound. Hold up. Oh. We'll find it somewhere else. I don't want to hear court TV's live TV coverage. Here it is. Let's see. They see their stream is still going, but they ended the coverage. So we'll definitely be going to another coverage. I can't be doing I don't want to air their stuff because they will come back and try to strike you live. Here it is. Lord have mercy. 37 minutes ago. Who's this? Law and Crime? Law and Crime is doing their own reporting. The Independent. We just went to the Independent and they ended their live stream. What happened? Yeah, they're still off. I think they went off camera for a minute. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see. Oh my
Sean Combs' defense team, or in the filing that they submitted with the court, Sean Combs' defense team has cited, quote, outrageous government conduct after 19 pages of materials were seized from Sean Combs' jail cell and allegedly were given to the United States Attorney's Office. These materials that were obtained during a jail sweep include Combs', quote, privileged notes to his lawyers concerning defense witnesses and strategies. Combs' attorneys described this sweep as a targeted seizure, that this is a due process violation. They have called for the state to, I should say the federal government, to answer a series of questions that are listed in this filing. So first they want to know who authorized the search of Mr. Combs' sleeping area, personal effects, and paperwork.
What are you
doing? Two, who determined what paperwork to take.
Shut up. Sorry. Where'd you go? You said 500 Pearl Street is the physical address? Yeah. You said it sounds more like a hit. What do you mean, Kat? What do you mean it sounds more like a hit, Liz? He's looking rough today? Huh. Snitches get stitches. Draw over Sharpie with the dry erase marker and it will come off. On the walls? You think so? I'm telling you, I've scrubbed really hard here. I'm trying to see if I can pull the hearing. I don't want to hear commentary. I want the camera right where it's at. So we're going to try our best to see if we can figure that out. We need to see who's there. Who's there? Who's there? Ooh, thank you. Shout out to the person that shared our live. I'm trying to find out who is there. I don't care about oh, look at this. Inner City Press is already sharing on the hearing, the jail raid. See, nothing. It's just buffering all over. I think it's just buffering right now. See if I can get it. It's going to take us a minute. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thank you guys for being here. I'm going to see if I can pull it up again. Independent is live again? They said that the thing is... There it is. It's still going. I'm trying to see if anybody's there. Let me see if I can get it on Facebook. Maybe C-SPAN? Maybe. Inner City Press is phenomenal. Hold up. Diddy hearing. Facebook is good too. Let me out, people. Facebook Live. Court hearing. Here it is. An emergency court hearing in the Diddy case at 3 p.m. in federal court. No details have been released. Okay, so y'all, if I can't get it, we might have to end the stream. You think he does? Okay. I mean, everybody's streaming court TV right now. I don't want to stream, or not court TV. I don't want to stream Law and Crime. That's why I was excited that the Independent was there. See that they say that they're there. But they said that their event ended. Okay, hold up. There's got to be somebody else that's streaming it. Diddy court hearing live. We're looking for it. Is he watching Law and Crime, Bubbles? I think we're all waiting on it. So the thing is where we're concerned is the information that they have, right? Like, we want to know what they're planning to do, this emergency hearing. And by the way, Diddy will not have shackles on this time. He's off screen. I don't think that they're streaming Law and Crime. I could be wrong. But I highly doubt. So again, this is a last minute decision that the judge made to have this court hearing. This was not something that was like, okay, we're going to do it. But essentially, this court hearing is coming from the raids specifically. So, I mean, their stream is just offline. It hasn't ended because they're still streaming. That's what I'm saying, Lou. It's like a bunch of talking heads. That's why I'm like, I don't know how much. I don't want to watch Law and Crime to watch them talk. I would rather have them face their camera right outside of the courthouse because, it's informative. We already know I read the legal documents yesterday. We read the letter, so we know what's up. But shout out to Law and Crime. I like Law and Crime. It's just I don't want to be streaming them and then get in trouble for streaming them, if that makes sense. So, but there's got to be another network that's out there. That can't be the only one. Yeah, the commentators are talking. I want them outside. I want to see what's going on. You know what I mean? It's off screen, so you can't tell. No video yet? Yeah, I think we're all waiting. We all waiting. I mean, shout out to Popcorn. I'm sure they'll have like thousands of people in the chat. For me, it's like we just got a couple over here and it's cool. It's in real time. Did he just enter the courtroom? What? How do we know? Hold up. What time is it? It is 1:14. Oh, shit. Hold up. Let's go to Inner City Press. Yep. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Diddy comes in front of the holding cell in the MDC jail, tan, walking fine, hugs his lawyer and sits down, now waiting for the judge. Oh, shit. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. He's not in shackles. People are asking if he's in shackles. I don't think he's in shackles because it's been ruled. Oh, my goodness. I can't read the letter right now, Steph, but you can watch the other video because we're right at the hearing right now. It wouldn't make sense for me to read the letter right now. So he's in the courtroom now. Everybody's watching closely. Everybody's watching closely. Look at Andy. Popcorn Planet's like, hey, is he shackled? No, he's not. We just read the hearing earlier. Hey, Jill, thank you so much for the $2 shopping for baby bunny while we wait. Aw, Jill, thank you so much for being such a blessing. Shout out to you, Jill. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody's asking if he's in shackles. Inner City Press posted earlier that they ruled that he doesn't have to wear shackles. So somebody tell Andy he's out of shackles. I'm just saying. Okay, listen, we are all watching Inner City. I bet you this will happen. Look at who put DJ Khaled in there? Hold up. I'm waiting. We're waiting for DJ to break too at some point. He's gonna have one coming. Another one for him. Hold up. Let's see. Lord have mercy. Todos chismosos, right? And then they're gonna have I'm wondering if Diddy's lawyers is gonna say anything at the press conference because Agnifilo didn't say shit last time. He just walked away. Are they gonna hold a press conference? Okay, here we go. Refreshing. Okay, here it is. So now the U.S. versus Sean Combs hearing on the MDC jail raid. Inner City Press is covering cases every twist and turn. Shout out to Inner City Press. I'm gonna buy his book on the Diddy stuff because he has been following this because he's there. Will live tweet thread below. Sean Combs comes in the holding cell in a MDC jail tan walking fine, hugs to his lawyers. They don't say Mr. Inner City Press doesn't say if he's shackled. Okay, is this here it is. Nothing recent. All right. We waiting, y'all. We waiting. We waiting for an update. We waiting. Are y'all waiting? Because I'm waiting. I might have to head out, but if I do head out, please go support BJ Investigates, because I'm telling you, she's reading this word for word for word. Shout out to everybody. Okay, what did you say? Let's see. Come on, come on. Update. We waiting. You know, watch. X is gonna like crash at some point. Did you guys hear about the other platform though that they're creating? They're creating like a new platform and whatnot. I'm totally down to try something different than X at this point. What is it called? Somebody, I think, was it Tinkle Tits who said Blue Skies? Is he in Blue Skies now? I'm willing to try Blue Sky. Listen, I'm willing to try. We need something better than X. I used to like Twitter. Okay, here it is. 8 seconds. Here it is. Still chatting still waiting for the judge. Combs is chatting with lawyer Anthony Rico seated to his left in a bow tie. Okay, but is he shackled? That's what everybody wants to know. They're asking if he's shackled. Hold up. Let me make sure I bookmark this. This is crazy. You're there? I'll have to try the Blue Skies. All right. Before everybody migrates over there, I'll have to try it. You said X gonna pull a Netflix? Shout out to grandma. X won't let me sign in. Oh my god. Hey Wim, good morning. Good morning. Well, at least you're awake, Wim. We've been live for like 45 minutes. We're waiting on the judge. That's where we're waiting. And apparently Combs is talking to his attorney Anthony Rico. Is it Rico? Seated to the left in a bow tie. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think so far. Hold up, y'all. Oh my god. I don't know what happened. Hold up. It like kicked me off. No, it's being possessed. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. We're still waiting on the judge. See, I'm talking shit about Twitter, and that's what happens. Hold up. Oh my goodness. You said X won't let me cancel my account? That's crazy that they won't let you. They're like, you're not leaving. We're still waiting on the judge, y'all. No updates. I keep refreshing. No. Where? That's mommy's. That's mommy's. You gotta put the iPad there. Here, let me see it. He's wearing a bow tie. Thank you, Joyce. Thank you. Hey, me and Das, welcome. Hold up, y'all. You said what in BJ, why aren't you live? You're going live, right? Because I know you're going to be covering some of this. Hold up. We're waiting. We just heard that the attorney's wearing a bow tie. That's what we heard. Now let me see. I'm going to see if Independent has updated their stuff. They're still, it says the live ended, but it's still going. That's weird. And you had a bunch of attorneys over there talking in law and crime. We're waiting. Let me see. Yes, Mama. Hold up. Still waiting for the judge. Combs is chatting with the attorney. He's wearing a bow tie. They're still waiting on the judge. Oh man, I would love to be a fly in that courtroom. Wouldn't y'all love to be flies in that courtroom? Because we are so nosy and that's what we want. Everybody's waiting. You want cocoa, meme? Okay, baby girl. The what? Mama, what are you doing? What are you going to watch? Here you go. Coco Mammon. All right, sorry. I want to be a fly in the room when Diddy meets his attorneys. Listen. Let's see. No updates. Show possible spam. What color is the bow tie? Somebody asked. Hey, degraded daughter, welcome. Somebody asked what color was the bow tie. I cannot. I dropped my headphone and I don't even know where I dropped it. I gotta look for it, y'all. Hold up. Okay, found it. Do you think the trial will be live streamed? No, it won't be. I think we've decided that way because it's they won't. All right, all rise. Here we go. 9 seconds in. All rise. Sean Diddy Combs, lawyer, Agnifilo. We expect Alexandra Shapiro to arrive at any moment from the Second Circuit. I have Sean Love Combs to me left. Judge says fine. What are you seeking? Agnifilo responds, we want to know how his notes with lawyer came into their possession. Oh, I don't know if I can do all this. Did y'all rise? They said all rise. Did you guys rise? Because I did for a little bit. So it's an emergency hearing, y'all. It's an emergency. Okay. Where'd it go? Let's see, make sure that I'm up to date on this thread. Yeah. So that's the current. All rise, Sean. Combs lawyer Agnifilo responds, we expect Alexandra Shapiro to arrive at any moment from the Second Circuit. I have Sean Love Combs to me left. Judge says fine. Are you seeking? What are you seeking? Agnifilo responds, we want to know how his notes with lawyer came into their possession. You said all rise. Yeah. Did y'all rise? Steph's like, yes, ma'am, I did rise. Shout out to you. You want to be a fly on the wall? Me too, Lady Pamela. That way you could tell me what's going on. You can like inform me. We all want to be flies at this point. Okay. Updating this. I'm impressed by how Inner City Press is like on this right away. I'm just trying to. You love me, mama? Okay, here it is. Combs lawyer says Agnifilo. He has an expectation of privacy in his legal notes. Judge responds, this occurred during a BOP, Bureau of Prisons sweep of the jail, but you're saying it was a pretext? Agnifilo responds, yes. 19 pages of notes were given from the taint team to them. Oh my goodness. Here it is. We on it. We on the hearing, guys. We are on it. Come on. Let's go. I'm waiting. So that is the most recent thing that's been said. Hold up, y'all. I'm refreshing. What do you guys think? Baby Bunny is singing to Coco Melon right now. She likes Coco Melon, even though I don't know if I'm a fan of those cartoons, to be quite honest. Okay, here it is. Combs lawyer Agnifilo says, we have enough we know enough to make out a constitutional violation, but we need to know more details about the failures. We haven't been able to test their explanation. We need the surveillance video of the search. Wait a minute. Combs' lawyer Agnifilo says, we know enough to make out a constitutional violation, but we need to know more details about the failures. We haven't been able to test their explanation. We need the surveillance video of the search. They're asking for the surveillance video of the search. That's what they're asking. Huh. Will they get it? Will they get it? That's the question. Oh my goodness. All right, let's refresh. Okay, here it is, 4 seconds. Combs' lawyer Agnifilo says, we need the communication of the investigator one. We need to know the role of the U.S. Attorney's Office on what should be photographs. The search was for drugs and guns and cell phones, but these are Mr. Combs' legal files. Oh, shit. Yeah, right. But wait, then how y'all know his rights were violated? Because he said it? Am I the only one that just caught that right, Chico? How does he know that? Is it because they took notes and they took pictures of it? I guess I'm confused. So they're just saying that they need the communication with the investigators. We need to know the role of the U.S. Attorney's Office on what should be photographs. The search was for drugs, guns, and cell phones, but these are Mr. Combs' legal files. That's crazy, y'all. Hold up. I think this is okay. We'll see what the government says. Hopefully, I'm able to stay longer, but I don't know, y'all. We'll see. I'm trying to refresh. This is very intriguing. Let me just say that much. Um, 5 minutes, 1 minute. Let's see what they're going to say. I'm wondering what the government's going to respond to this. I mean, they got the hearing, guys. They got the hearing. So that says a lot, in my opinion. Here it is, 3 seconds. The judge says, keep it on the logistics. Agnifilo responds, we're not sure it was investigator one was the one doing the search. Who interviewed Mr. Combs? Who went to the area where he legal papers were? I think he meant to say where the legal papers were. Once we know that, we could have a Fifth Amendment transgression. A Fifth Amendment transgression. So the judge says, keep it on the logistics. And then Agnifilo says, we're not sure it was investigator one was the one doing the search. Who interviewed Mr. Combs? Who went to the area where the legal papers were? Once we know that, we could have a Fifth Amendment transgression. Wow. I'm just reading. Fifth Amendment transgression. That's what they're saying. Okay. Okay. Here it is. This is where we were at. Waiting for an update on this thread. Huh. Here it is, 7 seconds. Combs, Agnifilo response, we may ask for dismissal on the indictment or for the recusal of the prosecution team. The judge responds, they used 2 portions in responding on bail, and you want me not to consider those? Agnifilo responds, they need to hand over the notes. Lord have mercy. He said, we may ask for dismissal on the indictment or for the recusal of the prosecution team. The judge says they used 2 portions in responding on bail, and you want me not to consider those. Agnifilo says they need to hand over the notes. Oh, this is like, Wow. Okay. All right. All right, Agnifilo. All right, Agnifilo. Agnifilo's not playing. He said, listen, you need to give me the notes or else you need to give me this. Could he get off? What if he does, guys? Oh my God. Hold up. No update yet. No update yet. Here it is, 10 seconds. Agnifilo says, we don't know what the tank team has. We want to know, and we want the material back while this is pending. We cannot waive his attorney-client privilege. We have to be direct or aggressive. Not sure that's the right word. What? I'm telling you, I wish, Night Charm, I wish I was a fly in that damn courtroom because I'd be like, oh, wait, Agnifilo's not playing. He's not playing. He said no. Like, listen, we're going to be aggressive about this. Oh my God. So he's basically saying, again, we don't know what the tank teams have. We want to know, and we want the material back while this is pending. We cannot waive his attorney-client privilege. We have to be direct or aggressive. Not sure that's the right word. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at everybody. Everybody's like on his thread right now. That's interesting. I'm trying to go refresh it. Refresh it. Nope, no refreshing. There's nothing yet. I'm trying to refresh, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. See, refresh again. Do. Okay, here it is. 1 second. So the judge responds, government, what happened here? Why were they taking photos of Mr. Combs' notebook? And then the government, the AUSA, Mary Christine, responds, none of the prosecutors had contact with them. The judge responds, but investigator 1 was monitoring Mr. Combs' communication and out. Oh, it cut off there. Okay. This is where we're at. So the judge responds, government, what happened here? Why were they taking photos of Mr. Combs' notebook? The attorney says, for the government says, none of the prosecutors had contact with them. The judge responds, but investigator 1 was monitoring Mr. Combs' communication in and out. This is like, what if he gets off on this? Here it is. Nope. No update yet. You guys. I mean, he got the hearing. No update yet, y'all. No update. Mama, are you singing? Okay, girl. No update yet. Hoo-wee. Here it is, 5 seconds. The judge responds, is this a Fourth Amendment violation? The AUSA attorney responds, the BOP investigator works for the BOP Bureau of Prisons. He is focused on safety, and if the defendant is in compliance with the BOP rules, he was not. It is true that the BOP gave us the info. Okay, wait. Hold up. The judge says, is this a Fourth Amendment violation? The attorney says for the government, the BOP investigator works for the BOP Bureau of Prisons. He is focused on safety. And if the defendant is in compliance with the BOP rules, he was not. It is true that BOP gave us the info. Okay. And I'm on pins and needles. Finish. What else did they say? What does this mean? Violation of what? Oh my God, you guys. Come on. Come on. Give us an update. Search for you're dying. I am. Oh, here it is. Okay. The government response. None of the prosecution teams were aware that investigator 1 was going to be part of the sweep. The judge responds, when did you become aware that the photos had been taken of Mr. Combs' notes? The government response, after the sweep. The judge then asks, but before the grand jury subpoena? Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Hold up. The attorney says none of the this is the government says none of the prosecution teams were aware of that investigator 1 was going to be part of the sweep. The judge then asks, when did you become aware that the photos had been taken of Mr. Combs' notes? The attorney responds for the government, after the sweep. The judge then asks, but before the grand jury subpoena? That's a question. It's a question. It's a question. Oh my God. And somebody said, can't the jail sweep when they want to? LOL, Combs is not special. I mean, oh my God. Hold up. Here it is. Judge then asks, so there's nothing else? The prosecutor responds, Mr. Agnifilo says the defense team does not know what the taint team has, but we made a production to them last night of everything, not just the 19 pages that were passed to the case team. Okay. But all right, I feel like we're waiting more. So the judge says there's nothing else. The attorney responds, Mr. Agnifilo says the defense team does not know what the taint team has, but we have made a production of them last night of everything, not just the 19 pages that were passed to the case team. What does this mean? What's going to happen here? I am like, what is going on, Linda? Okay, Mama, you and this baby shark. Oh my God. Hold up. What's going to happen here? Come on. Come on. Yes, Mama. Are you dancing? We're waiting for an update, y'all. Here it is. No, 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 no. Nothing yet. What are they saying with this? What are they saying? Yeah, we left off here. There's nothing new here. So what? Okay. Fourth Amendment violation before the subpoena? Is that, or before? I guess I'm confused by this. So one of the investigators wasn't supposed to be working there? I'm trying to figure this out. Let me know. A sweep doesn't mean everything is forward to the prosecutors. Right. Let me know. Thank you. Thank you, love. Shout out to you. Thank you for being here. I'm trying my best. But let me just say that this is very nerve-wracking. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I don't even know how Inner City Press does it. Okay, here it is. The attorney, the government response to the question. These materials were obtained as part of the government's covert ongoing grand jury investigation. The judge responds, is it standard procedure to photograph notebooks rather than just take them so it could be known that they were taken? The attorney for the government responds, I don't know. I don't know. That was her response. I don't know. Okay, hold up. Let me go back to the other tweet real quick because I think it's going to make sense. So the judge says there's nothing else. The government responds. Mr. Agnifilo says that the defense team does not know what the taint team has, but we made a production of them last night of everything, not just the 19 pages that were passed to the case team. She further continues, the government. These materials were obtained as part of the government's covert ongoing grand jury investigation. The judge asked, is it standard procedure to photograph notebooks rather than take them? So it could be known that they were taken. The government responds, I don't know. I don't know. The fucking prosecutor doesn't know how the jail functions? Is that like weird? How do you not know? How do you not know what their procedures are, especially if you're receiving material from them? How do you not know? Yo, I'm telling you, this don't make sense to me. Up, down, up, down. Do you want me to help you with something? Yeah. Hold up, mama. Like this. And put it on the floor. There you go. We're waiting. Why would they know? I mean, I'm saying in the sense of like, these are people that, you know, they work for the people. You know, I would assume that you would know how the ins and outs of the prison works. At the very least, the basics. Here it is. The attorney for the government responds, we are not required to notify the defense of our ongoing investigation of criminal conduct. We receive these materials in appropriate channels. Whenever we get new information, if there's a reason to believe there's privilege, it goes to a filter team. That's what they said. That's what they said. Hey, Jane. Shout out to Jane in the chat. You said, so let me get this straight. If they violate his Fourth Amendment right, does the entire case get thrown out? That's what Agnifilo wants. That's what Agnifilo wants, right? Okay, here it is. Oh, wait, that's not a new update. I just read that. So we're not required to notify the defense of our ongoing investigation of criminal conduct. We receive these materials in appropriate channels whenever we get new information. If there's a reason to believe there's privilege, it goes to a filter team. Okay, well, all right. This is, I'm gonna need this hearing to hustle up and hurry up. Y'all got 15 minutes. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, government. What do you think is gonna happen here, guys? Let me know. And I'm refreshing. Okay, 6 seconds. The judge says if they were verbatim notes of his meetings with his lawyers, how would you know without asking the defense? The attorney for the government responds, our filter team does a serious job. The investigation was covert. We had a lot of information before charges were brought. Huh? What? What does that even mean? What does that even mean that they had a lot of information? The judge is asking if they were verbatim notes of his meetings with this lawyer, how would you know without asking the defense? The attorney responds, our filter team does a serious job. The investigation was covert. We had a lot of information before charges were brought. What does that even mean, though? Oh, my Lord, have mercy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys have to think. I'm like, what is he? I'm waiting for Callie Dime. I'm there with you. So he's basically asking, how would you know unless you looked at the notes of your attorney? He's not getting out. That, let me tell you something. I'm more concerned about how the hell they don't know what's going on. To be quite honest, especially in such a high profile case. Because it says right here, the judge is asking if they were verbatim notes of his meeting with his lawyer, how would you know without asking the defense? So how would you know that? Jeez, mama. Sorry about that. That was her. Our filter team does a serious job. This investigation was covert. We had a lot of information before charges were brought. Okay. The Addies don't know? I hope she does. I really hope she does. Okay, here it is. The attorney responds, I understand that there's a dialogue between the defense and the filter team. I'm not part of that. Okay, this is what the government says. The judge responds, I don't understand that dividing line between the covert investigation and discovery in these cases, given that the defendant has been charged. All right, hold up. The government says, I understand there's a dialogue between the defense and the filter team. I'm not part of that. The judge says, I don't understand that dividing line between the covert investigation and the discovery in these cases, given that the defendant has been charged. Thank you, T. Ray. Look at T. Ray. Says, meaning you have something in a cell they have no way of knowing. His lawyer should hold onto anything he doesn't want them to have. Think about this. A lot of inmates would be able to get out. That's right. But the argument that's being made here, look, the government is saying, I understand there's a dialogue between the defense and the filter team. I'm not part of that. The judge responds, I don't understand that dividing line between the covert investigation and discovery in these cases, given that the defendant has been charged. Okay. Yeah, wouldn't everybody be able to get out if that's the case, though? That's a good point. Okay. The government response. Our grand jury investigation is ongoing into conduct that has not currently been charged. We have multiple ways to get information that are not obvious to the defendant. We are not obligated to inform them. They have no authority for that. Okay. How do y'all think this is going to end? Let me know. Yeah, but they're monitoring his communication from the inside. How do you guys think this is going to end? What do you think is going to happen here? Because I'm hearing them go back and forth. You know, Inner City Press is the fly on the wall right now for us. Shout out to Inner City Press. What do you think is going to happen here? You're staying in this moment. Search for you. I'm there. You don't think anything's going to happen, Christine? Because I think that they're expecting, here it is, 3 seconds ago. The judge says, I want to be cautious since some of this is sealed, but is any of this privilege? The government responds, the notebook was labeled things to do, not attorney-client. They suggest they were meant to be in the folder marked legal, but self-labeling is not enough. So he had a notebook labeled things to do, not attorney-client. They suggest they were meant to be in a folder marked legal, but self-labeling is not enough. I'm wondering. So, judge, I want to be cautious since some of this is sealed, but is any of this privileged? That was the question. Is any of this privileged? That's a great question. Is any of this privileged? Now, hold up. By me. Mama, I like that song. Stand by me. Hold up. We're checking this out, y'all. No update yet. The suspense. Wrong folders? Is that an issue? You said Callie Dime's like, what? Since when is a to-do list privilege? Don't know. I mean, listen, Agnifilo is doing what he's got to do, but I'm wondering about this, so how this is going to end. Some of you guys feel like nothing's going to happen. I don't know. I don't know about that. Is it? Is it not? We're waiting. We are waiting patiently. Let's go. 2 minutes, 2 seconds. No update yet. 2 minutes. So let's see. 2 minutes. Nada yet. 28 minutes. 7 minutes. Nope. No update yet, y'all. Well, I mean, the attorney's doing what they have to do. Here it is. Okay, wait. Where'd it go? 27. I just saw it. 22 minutes. 49 minutes. 28 minutes. No, this is not it. Oh, it's no update yet. Y'all, sorry. I thought I saw something. Nope. From the last one. Hold on. Let me see if there's more updates. Give me 1 second. I'm looking, y'all. Here it is. Thank you. Shout out to BJ. Thanks for working hard. If I can support, shout out to Inner City Press. Okay, that's his PayPal. I'm looking for the update. I don't see anything else. 22 minutes. Nada. Here it is. Shout out to Inner City Press for putting this time, man. This is like, we're waiting here for updates and everything, you guys. Okay, wait, show offensive content. Okay, I don't want to show offensive content. Okay, I'm sorry. Here we go. So this is the update. So it goes from the notebook was labeled things to do and not attorney-client. They suggest that they were meant to be in folders marked legal, but self-labeling is not enough. And then the attorney for the government continues. These include action items for non-lawyers. That's not privilege. There's information about family members' birthdays, also not privilege. We point to the Lemire decision of the judge. We are not happy to engage with the we are happy to engage with the defense. Hold up. Yeah, that's the update. So this is adding up to the other narrative. You said, I know we out here waiting like we're waiting for an update. The information about family members and birthdays, I guess, is not privilege. So okay. All right, sure. Why not? So they're like making an argument about what's not privilege, which is, I guess, is true. Here it is, 21 seconds. So the judge says, how about agreeing that I should not consider these two excerpts in your opposition to the bail motion? The government responds, I think that's right for the bail argument scheduled for Friday. The judge then says, what about putting them in a vault? There are inspirational messages. Look at somebody said in the chat, free Diddy. Lord have mercy. People really saying free Diddy? So the judge says, how about agreeing that I should not consider these two excerpts in your opposition to the bail motion? The government responds, I think that's right for the bail argument scheduled for Friday. What about putting them in a vault? There are inspirational messages. This is what the judge says. People are really saying free Diddy up here. Oh my God. Free Diddy? Free Diddy? What? Really? Okay. All right. Free Diddy. Look at, they're like going through every comment saying free Diddy, free Diddy. I'm waiting for an update, y'all. That's interesting. This was a minute ago. Okay, how long ago was this? Oh, we're waiting for that response. Milton Scott said free Diddy. They said free Diddy. Milton Scott, did they buy you too? Let me know. Did they purchase you? They'd be purchasing people to support Diddy. That's what's going on. Milton Scott. I'm just reading to you guys. All right, I want to know how this is going to end. Come on, let's go. So what are they going to agree to now? What are we agreeing to? What's going on? No update. Here it is, 2 seconds. The attorney for the government says these are related to our ongoing investigations. There is no reason to put the notes in a vault. As a matter of procedure, the defendant would have to make a motion. These notes are not attorney-client privilege. A vault? What vault? I guess they're arguing about the information that they have and they don't have and what they put away. I mean, what do y'all think? And he said inspirational quotes. What kind of inspirational quotes do you think Diddy's looking into? Yes, this is the latest update. These are related to an ongoing investigation. There is no reason to put these notes in a vault. As a matter of procedure, the defendant would have to make a motion. These notes are not attorney-client privilege. Yo. You said, why lock up the inspirational messages? Listen, Diddy does not need to inspire anybody at this point. Oh my God. You know, R. Kelly had a lot of inspirational messages too. Here it is. Okay. These are related. Okay, I already read this. There's no reason to put these in a vault. Okay. So are the inspirational messages part of their ongoing investigation too? This is so annoying. Inspirational bars, inspirational messages. Shout out to you. Hold up, I'm looking at the chat here. Let me see. Are we gonna have a? Let me see if anybody's outside. No, nobody's outside. And okay. And then yeah, the law and crime is still airing outside. So if I have to leave, I'll definitely leave it running there. But let me see if any updates here. Let me see what's going on. Here it is, 25 seconds. Okay, this is what the attorney response for the government. Then there are work products, which broader. It's meant to protect the attorney's mental process. But these are not that. It's about an administrative question. Following up with the paralegal is not protected. Whoa. I think they're talking about what is in the material, right? It says, then there's work product, which broader. It's meant to protect the attorney's mental process. But these are not that. It's about an administrative question. Following up with the paralegal is not protected. That's what they said. That's what they said. Okay. Shout out to Inner City Press. Okay, here's 6 seconds. 6 seconds. Here we go. The judge says, what if an individual had counsel paid by another? The government responds, the payment, not privilege. And if it was about paying off a witness, that is what we are investigating. These notes refer to individuals, to a non-lawyer third party. It's on his to-do list. Okay, well now we got the to-do list revealed. We got the to-do list revealed. This is what was in the to-do list. Listen, Linda, listen. It says, the judge is asking, what if an individual had counsel paid by another? The government responds, the payment, not privilege. And if it's about paying off a witness, that is what we are investigating. These notes refer to individuals, to a non-lawyer third party. It's on his to-do list. It's on his to-do list. He put it on his to-do list about paying another party. Now, why the hell would you put this on the to-do list? Oh, yes. He put it was like a to-do list with the little box check marks. Kalina Harper, KH, pay, check mark. That we didn't know that, but now we know what the government is saying, that what you're doing on this to-do list is you really, really, really paying off people, and it's on your to-do list. How fucking stupid are you? Oh my God. So did he just really walk into that? What happened? See, I was like, there's got to be a reason why the government is like, okay. The judge then says a defense lawyer can investigate potential witnesses. It would be malpractice not to. If these are about the defense team's preparations for witnesses, isn't it a closer call if it falls into work product? The attorney for the government responds, the person tasked is a non-lawyer. Okay. So the judge is saying a defense lawyer can investigate potential witnesses. It would be malpractice not to. If these are about the defense team's preparations for witnesses, isn't it a closer call if it falls into work product? So, if it's on a to-do list and it's work product, then isn't that like, I guess he's saying, wouldn't that be a potential witness, and it's, information for the attorney, and the government is saying, well, the person tasked is not a law, is a non-lawyer, so it's not privilege based on that. It's not privilege. It's not privilege. Oh my God. Here it is, 2 seconds. Okay, government says on October 18th, the defendant told a family member to work with a non-lawyer to find everything about victim 2. And this non-lawyer, individual 2, is not identified as part of the defense team. The judge then says or asks, what about turning over the surveillance video? Is the judge not seeing like the concern here? Turn over the surveillance video, but the government is telling you, listen, he put a witness person on the to-do list. And then the judge's like, well, why don't you turn in the surveillance video? Because that's what the defense wants. Listen, this is not like a black and white situation. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, no, it's not. Because what they're going to do is they're going to try to pull this shit apart on the video. They're going to be like, here, you violated his rights here. You violated his rights here. And this is what you did. I mean, the video, I think, could be released. I don't know. Hold up, y'all. What time is it? Because I might have to head out, y'all. Oh, yeah, I got a couple minutes and then I got to head out. I'll probably leave it on the, oh, I hope I don't get, let me see. We need to know what happened here. Okay, come on. 4 seconds. Here it is. The government responds, we are opposed. There is no authority for that. The judge then responds, I noticed that Mr. Agnifilo, they want to work with you to try to resolve this. Agnifilo seems to laugh. Okay. The judge responds, you may not agree, but why not discuss? Agnifilo says, we don't want to give them insight. Okay. The judge is trying to judge. The judge is trying to like be a mediator to the situation. The judge is saying, listen, well, the government's saying we are opposed. There's no authority for that. They're opposed to the surveillance being released, okay? What do you want? Caillou? I don't know about that show, Mama. Hold up. Here it is. Thank you, Mama. The judge is saying, hey, the government's saying we are opposed. There's no authority for that. For the surveillance video to be turned over to the defense. The judge then says, I noticed that Mr. Agnifilo, he's looking at Mr. Agnifilo and saying, I noticed that they want to work with you to try to resolve this. Agnifilo's laughing, or at least it seems like he's laughing. And then the judge says, you may not agree, but why not discuss? Agnifilo says, we don't want to give them insight. So Agnifilo's like, listen, I'm not trying to tell them what we know that the government is doing. You know? Oh, Callie, you ain't never lied. That kid is so whiny. Yes, he is. No update yet. Well. What is going on? Can't we just work together? You said I can't stand the attorney. He's almost as horrible as Diddy. He's doing his job, though. Honestly, Christine, like, he's doing his job. We're waiting. The suspense is killing us, and I gotta go soon, so I'm not gonna be able to like run this. I'm sorry. Do you guys want me to run this? Like, I can play the conference if they have a conference on the other stream, and then turn it off if I need to. Do you guys want me to leave the chat open? Let me know while I drive. I've done it before. As long as you guys promise to be on your best behavior in the chat. You said yes, Gaslit? Okay. Let me know. Lady Rivera says, "Que chisme." Let's see what happens here. We're waiting. 3 seconds. Here it is. Agnifilo says, all the legal pads say legal. What the government is saying, what search is not accurate. The judge says, wait, what you are saying that the photos taken from pads marked legal, can you show me? Agnifilo walks up and hands the judge a pad. Wait a minute. Time out. Agnifilo is responding to the judge and says, all the legal pads say legal. What the government is saying, what search is not accurate. The judge says, wait a minute. You are saying the photos taken were from pads marked legal. Can you show me? Agnifilo walks up and hands the judge the pad. So the pictures that were taken, were there from pads that said legal? Meaning like legal as in privilege? Even if it says to do on it and it has legal, that's still a legal pad, y'all. You know, the yellow paper, that's as a work product, Gaslit. Yes, exactly. You have got to be kidding. They said labeled legal. Well, hold up. Oh, I got somebody at my door, y'all. Hold up, y'all. It says, hold up. Oh, yeah, I got somebody at my door. Hold up, y'all. Sorry about that. Hold up. Let me see. It says, see, let me update this. If I heard it correctly, or at least read it correctly. Okay, here it is. So all the legal pads say legal. So the legal pads say legal. So are they saying that the to-do list was on a legal pad? And then Agnifilo says, when we visited him in jail, we have lists. Everything in these pads are things we discuss. Trial strategies, who we should speak to determine witness credibility. We discuss everything with Mr. Combs. This is a sweeping racketeering case. So what he's saying is that when the judge says, can you wait, you said you are saying the photos taken were from pads marked legal. Can you show me? Agnifilo is showing him whatever showing to the judge. And then Agnifilo says, when we visit him in jail, we have lists. Everything in these pads are things we discuss. Trial strategies, who we should speak to determine witness credibility. We discuss everything with Mr. Combs. This is a sweeping racketeering case. What do y'all think so far? Let me know. Sorry, y'all, I'm not. Let me know what you guys think. You said, at this point, you should just jot down an escape plan and label it legal and be low-key protected. Well, there you go, Jane. Okay. Combs Agnifilo says, we are studying this man's life for our bail application, his charity work. This is not a single day, a single event case. We spend time on every nook and cranny of this man's life. I have a case, Bifano, very important case. I think he's just making an argument there. Can you turn this down, please? This is so loud. I mean, honestly, what is going on? You said, shout out to the Diddy docket. He said, undermine a witness, not determine. Undermine a witness. I'm sorry. Did I misread that? I probably did. Sorry, I had somebody at my door. My bad. Hold up. Where did you see that? Let me know, and thank you for correcting me. You said, oh yes, undermine. I'm sorry. So Agnifilo, when he visited a jail, we have lists. Everything in these pads are everything we discussed. Trial strategies. Who we should speak to undermine, thank you, a witness credibility, not determine. That's a whole different word. You're right. We discuss everything with Combs. This is a sweeping racketeering case. Thank you, Diddy Docket, for that. Hold up. 33 seconds. Combs lawyers, Agnifilo. Mr. Combs comes out and reads us his to-do list. That is privilege. The 19 pages include things we have said to him. The name of a potential witness, a retired doctor. Now they have that. This is in the heartland of an attorney-client. Okay. So is this an issue of just mislabeling? Like, what the hell? Yeah, like that's what they're calling it. It's undermining a witness at this point. Right? Hold up. Okay, let me see what time it is because y'all, I gotta go soon. Let me see, y'all. So Mr. Combs comes out with his to-do list, yada yada yada. That's privilege. That's what I just read. Thank you. Undermine equals discredit. Yeah, that's right, Joyce. It does. Excuse me. Here it is. Mr. Combs' lawyers, Agnifilo. Mr. Combs comes out and reads us his to-do list. That is privileged. The 19 pages include, we just read this, things that we have said to him. The name of a potential witness, a retired doctor. Now they have that. This is in the heartland of client privilege information. No update yet. We just read this. This is in, guys, like Agnifilo is doing, he's doing his job, I guess. I don't know. You said Diddy docket, even if the judge disregards these minor discoveries, they are not required to deny bail. They, government, already have everything they need, and the defense brought new and material. Hold up. Oh, are they back on? Oh my gosh. Why are they playing this shit here? Hold up, y'all. Do you guys hear that background noise? I'm sorry. That is so annoying. Okay, here it is. Let's see. I'm looking for an update. Ooh, this is like nerve-wracking to do. Okay, no update yet from a minute ago. We're waiting. They need something, Night Charm. Honestly, retry. Oh, look it. Oh my God, his page crashed, guys. His page is down. His page is down. His page is down. Everybody's going to it, y'all. Oh, wait, no, it's back. Okay. I was like, and that's the end of that, y'all. That's the end of that. Hold up. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Come on now. There's no updates yet, y'all. Look at this. There's no update. It happens, right, Hope. It happens all the time because people always go to Inner City. Shout out to, this is what I'm saying. I'm like, Inner City needs to like have his own YouTube channel at this point. Okay, wait. Inner City, where'd you go? Hold up. Inner City, where'd you go? Inner City needs to have a YouTube channel because I'm telling you, man, like they always be checking out his reporting, especially on this case. Here it is. Another update. So the judge says, I'm looking at the case you cite, Miss the government. Is it Slavic? Miss Slavic. Are you familiar with it? And the government says, I'm not, Your Honor. Agnifilo response. Miss Garagos has something to say. Tenny Garagos response. They say there's a covert grand jury investigation, but there's the current indictment. Who is Tenny Garagos? Who's that? Is that another attorney? Oh my gosh, y'all. The judge says, I'm looking at the case you cited, Miss Slavi. Is it Slavic? Are you familiar with it? She says she's not. So why is she citing it if you're not familiar with the case? Okay, hold up. I'm looking. Who is Tenny Garagos? It's an attorney? Oh, so Mark Garagos' daughter. That's why I was like, Garagos. Thank you, Diddy Docket, for that. Shout out to Diddy Docket. Very informative. So Tenny, her name is Tenny Garagos. She's Mark Garagos' daughter. Shit. Wow. It's a family of lawyers. Okay. I gotta head out in like 5 minutes, y'all. Okay. Makeup. Okay, here's the attorney who says, okay, mama, thank you. I'm not giving it to you. You're gonna make a mess. Attorney Slavic says, we were talking about the 11 pages of notes, not a stack. None of the notes are legal. Say hi. No, I'm not giving you this. I'm not giving you this. Go. Come on. Don't hurt yourself there. Come on. No, come here. Do you want to say hello? Okay. Okay, mama. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, it says, the judge says the notes themselves are not legal, but the page was in a legal pad that was marked legal. Okay, so an attorney for the government says it's not clear when defendant wrote on that. What? Huh? No, I can't give you makeup. Makeup's bad. No, you got some chapstick. You want chapstick? Okay, watch out. Let me see if I can find you some chapstick. Let me see, girl. So that is the update on that. Hold up, y'all. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your makeup. So the government says we're talking here about 11 pages of notes, not a stack. None of these notes are legal. The judge then responds, the notes themselves, don't. No, not the makeup. The notes themselves. You can't have this makeup. No, mama. Come on. She's going to protest. Sorry, y'all. The notes themselves are not legal, but the pages was in a legal pad that was marked legal. Okay, honey, I will. The attorney says it's not clear when the defendant wrote on that. That's where we're at. She's too much, y'all. I don't know if listen, guys, I have to head out. I have to head out because I got to go pick up. And look, they're like blocking some of this too. So just, oh man, I really want to know how this ends. I'm in suspense. This is where they left off. Someone says, wow, they effed up big time. It is not up to the individual to determine if that's legal, not the prosecution's. Well, if it says legal on it, I mean, that's like saying, just like what Jane was saying, I guess you could grab a pad and call it legal and say it's privileged information, but how do you know it's not your escape plan from prison? That's a great point. Like, how are they going to determine what's legal and what's not legal? Okay, the judge says, we have a bail hearing on Friday, at which I will not consider these materials. In terms of running down the privilege issue, we can take weeks. Any issues with that time frame? Gnifilo says, no. Judge says, I'll schedule it. So then what happens now? Just like Christine said, nothing's going to happen. So, I mean, clearly they're not seeing like this is like a amendment violation type of situation. All right, y'all. This is where we're at, and I have to head out. I was trying to get us to this hearing. Let me see. I guess they're going to schedule again. Another hearing. Somebody said, goddamn. So, see, I'm not the only one who's having issues with how things are going here. That's what I got to say about that. Hold up. That's it. Nothing else. So they're scheduling another hearing. That's where we're at. What do you guys think? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So there's another bail. So the bail hearing is set for the 22nd. By the way, I should be able to 2 or 3 p.m. The 22nd is next. Wait, what day are we in right now? That's this Friday? Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do a stream, but especially at that time, they always be doing these. Okay. Thank you, my honey. Thank you. Uh-oh. What'd you do? Who are you calling? Who? All right. They said, Agnifilo says, if they're intending to seek a superseding indictment with those notes, this is what Agnifilo says. If they are intending to seek a superseding indictment with those notes, okay, mama. The judge then refers to the attorney, the government. And the government says, just to be clear, the filter team can keep the notes. The judge says, if they're not involved in the grand jury investigation or this case. So I guess they can keep the notes. I am giving it to you. I'm turning off the alarm. All right, y'all. I'm going to have to head out. Do you guys, like I said, you guys want me to leave the thing going? I mean, it doesn't look like they've made a decision on this yet. At least that's what I'm trying to understand from this. I don't know. That's a great question, how they can keep applying for bail. I know she wants my phone, but I'm going to have to take it from her in a little bit. Let's do this. I'm going to leave this running here. Hold up. I just don't know if I feel comfortable doing the law and crime, because law and crime will strike your channel. I'm pretty sure of it. They have this Diddy hearing stuff. Nothing. They had this camera on there for 2 hours and there's nothing there. There's nothing here. Nothing. Hold up. Let me see what they say now. So I guess where do we go from here? They're going to still argue this? Okay. Agnifilo says they should preserve the video. And then the government says, fine. The judge says, what about the Jeffries Abercrombie case in EDNY, the government released on 10 million bail. Be prepared to address the difference. So the judge is telling people, telling the attorneys, be prepared to address the difference with the 10 million bail. They're going to reference the Jeffrey Abercrombie and Finch case, okay? And the attorney says it's very different. I don't know about this judge. What this judge is like, wow, okay, judge. Hold up, let's see. I guess we'll leave it to another hearing. That's where we're at. You said cranking up the heat. They're doing something. Guys, this is what I'm going to do. I don't want to play Law and Crime because I don't know if they're going to strike me. So I'm going to end the live now because I have to go tend to the other child. I got to, I don't want to get in trouble. But y'all let me know your thoughts in the comments. If I'm able to stream it and play the conference part, I'll definitely do it. But y'all let me know what you think. I mean, I don't think this is going to end I don't know what's going to happen, honestly. I really don't. I don't know why I'm looking over here. The camera's right here. I'll see you guys. I got to go. I got to go tend to the other children. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you, guys.